Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X 15-inch Snapdragon laptop review. Best affordable AI laptop with all-day power for students and professionals. If you're looking for an affordable laptop with a big screen, excellent battery life, and quiet performance, the new Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X 15-inch Snapdragon laptop is what you must buy right now. At a price of around $700 on Amazon, in the United States, this laptop represents a major shift in what budget laptops can deliver, thanks largely to Qualcomm's Snapdragon X platform and Lenovo's increasingly refined hardware design. In this in-depth Lenovo laptop review, I'll break down what this laptop is, who it's for, how Snapdragon changes the experience, and whether it makes sense for students, professionals, and everyday users this year. If you want to buy it at a current discount price that will end very soon, please click both the subscribe and like button, then click the link in the description and comment section to buy it. So, what makes the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X different? Most budget laptops still rely on traditional Intel or AMD processors, which often struggle with short battery life, loud fans, performance drops when unplugged, heat buildup during simple tasks. The IdeaPad Slim 3X goes in a completely different direction by using a Snapdragon X processor, a system-on-a-chip architecture similar to what powers high-end smartphones and tablets, but scaled for laptops. The result is a device that prioritizes all-day battery life, silent operation, consistent performance, instant wake from sleep. For many users, these qualities matter more than raw benchmark scores. Design and build. Thin, light, and practical. Despite its large 15.3-inch display, the IdeaPad Slim 3X remains impressively portable. Key physical specs. Weight, the 312 lb, 1.6 kilograms. Thickness, slim profile, easy to carry. Charger compact, 65W USB-C charger. This is no longer the era where lightweight laptops are a luxury. Lenovo has managed to deliver a large-screen laptop that's easy to carry, making it ideal for students and professionals who move between classes, meetings, or travel frequently. The hinge feels sturdy, the chassis is well assembled, and overall it looks far more premium than its price suggests. Display, big, comfortable, and productivity-focused. One of the strongest selling points of this laptop is the 15.3-inch Full HD Plus display. Display specs, resolution, Full HD Plus, 1920x1200, aspect, ratio, 16:10, panel, type, IPS, brightness, 300 nits refresh rate, 60 Hz. Touchscreen, yes, matte finish. The 16:10 aspect ratio is especially important. It gives you more vertical space for documents, web browsing, coding spreadsheets, note-taking. The matte touchscreen is a rare and welcome feature, reducing glare while still allowing touch interaction. This makes it particularly comfortable for long study sessions or office work. While this display isn't aimed at creators or gamers, it's excellent for productivity, media consumption, and everyday tasks. Keyboard and trackpad, classic Lenovo strength. Lenovo has long been known for its keyboards, and the IdeaPad Slim 3X continues that tradition. Keyboard highlights, 1.3mm key travel. Crisp, tactile feedback, comfortable for long typing sessions. Dedicated number pad, rare and valuable on laptops. For students working with spreadsheets, accounting software, or data entry, the number pad is a big advantage. The large trackpad is responsive and accurate, making it easy to navigate without constantly reaching for a mouse. Additional security features include fingerprint reader, 720p webcam with physical privacy shutter. These features add real value, especially for students and professionals concerned about privacy and security. Performance explained. What Snapdragon X really means. This is where many buyers have questions. What is Snapdragon X? Snapdragon X is an ARM-based processor, unlike traditional Intel or AMD x86 chips. It's designed for high efficiency, low power consumption, consistent performance on battery, real-world performance. In practical terms, this laptop delivers Intel Core i5 class performance for everyday tasks, including web browsing, Microsoft Office, Google Docs, Zoom, and Teams Lite photo editing, media consumption. The key difference is that performance stays consistent, whether plugged in or not. There's no sudden slowdown when you unplug the charger. Software compatibility in 2026. This used to be a concern, but much less so today. Most popular apps are now native or fully optimized x86 applications run smoothly via emulation. Microsoft Office, Photoshop and Lightroom run well. Windows on ARM has matured significantly. IDF, you are willing or ready to buy the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X Snapdragon laptop at a discount price. PLS, click both the subscribe and like button, then click the link in the description and comment section to buy it. Important note for students. If your school uses proprietary testing or niche software, always verify Snapdragon compatibility. Most modern tools work, but it's worth checking. Battery life. The biggest advantage. This is where the IdeaPad Slim 3X truly shines. Battery specs: 60 watts battery, Snapdragon power efficiency, optimized Windows sleep behavior. In real-world use, this laptop can all day. Sometimes last multiple days with light use. Stay cool and silent during operation. Unlike traditional laptops, it doesn't overheat in your bag, doesn't drain battery while asleep, wakes instantly when opened. For students and travelers, this reliability is priceless. Graphics, not for gaming, perfectly fine for everything else. The Snapdragon X includes Adreno integrated graphics. These are excellent for everyday UI tasks, fine for casual games, capable of handling video playback and light creative work. However, this is not a gaming laptop. It's designed for productivity, education, office work, media consumption. If gaming is your priority, you'll need a different class of device. Connectivity and ports. Surprisingly complete. Despite its slim design, Lenovo didn't compromise on ports. Port selection: USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, headphone jack, full-size SD card slot. This makes the laptop highly versatile, eliminating the need for dongles for most users. Wireless connectivity is also impressive. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, even better, the Wi-Fi card is socketed, meaning it can theoretically be replaced or upgraded, rare in this price category. Internal design and upgradability. Opening the laptop reveals a surprisingly spacious interior. Inside highlights: active cooling fan, rarely audible, M.2 2242 SSD, upgradable. Possible second SSD slot, efficient motherboard layout, large 60Wh battery. The SSD benchmarks better than expected for the price, and the option to upgrade storage adds longevity to the device. This laptop is perfect. This laptop is ideal for college students, high school students, remote workers, office professionals, travelers, anyone who values battery life and portability. It's especially good if you want a large screen, silent operation, all-day battery, reliable brand support. Who should not buy this laptop? This may not be the right choice if you need high-end gaming performance, you rely on niche or legacy Windows software, you need heavy video editing or 3D rendering, you want a high refresh rate display. Final verdict: is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X worth it? At around $550, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X delivers exceptional value. It combines a large, comfortable display, excellent keyboard and input devices, Snapdragon efficiency, and battery life. Solid performance for everyday tasks. A trusted brand name, this laptop represents the future of affordable Windows computing. Quiet, efficient, and practical. For students and professionals who need a dependable, long-lasting laptop without overspending, this is one of the smartest buys in its category. Do watch the next video up there.